Hello guys, what's up? I hope you'll be fine and good. I'm Suresh Designer, and in this tutorial I'm going to talk about how we can use copy option in SketchUp. So I'm going to minimize my screen like that. So we have this character, I don't need it, so I'm going to press delete option in here. Very simple and easy. I'm going to start with drawing some type of box. So I'm going to draw this rectangle in this place and give it some extrude height for it, something like that. Now I can click on it or select it like this, right click and convert it to some type of group. So for actually doing copy option in SketchUp, you must select move option at the first. At the second, you must press Ctrl on your keyboard. Now you have some extra icon behind your cursor, so you can move your mouse in some place about the origin in the group, left click and move your mouse again. As you can see, you can move it on red direction, green direction or blue direction. For example, I want to take some copy about 5 number of it on the blue direction, so I only want to select this place and type 5x on my keyboard and press enter. As you can see, we create this type of copy option in SketchUp very simple and easy. It's really useful when you're modeling some type of buildings or towers, and it makes your job easy. But sometimes you need to add some type of exact numbers for your model. So for this reason, I'm going to start with drawing with some type of palette in this place. Some box about 1.1 and press enter. Now I want to extrude it a little bit, about 20 centimeter, something like that. And now I want to click on it and convert it to some type of component. So what is the differences between component and groups? You can see in the videos I recorded at the previous sessions. So I'm going to press create in this place. Now I want to click on the move option in here, press Ctrl on my keyboard. Now I want to select this point of my box and left click on it. Now I want to move it on green axis, so I'm going to move it on green axis, but I want to take some copy in distance about 1.5 and press enter. Now I want 4 items of it, so I'm going to type 3x and press enter. So if you want 5, you must type 4x. If you want 6, you must type 5x. Or if you want 10x, you must type 9x. Actually, the copy method have some type of differences with other things. So I want totally about 4 boxes, so I'll type 3x in the box. Now I can click on all of them, select them, click on the move option in this place, and press Ctrl on my keyboard, select this point. And now I want to take some copy on blue direction, about 1 meter. So I'm going to type 1 in the box and press enter. Now I want to type the number of copies I want. For example, I want totally 4 number of these. So I'm going to type 3x in the box and press enter. As you can see, we create these type of copies very simple and easy. Sometimes you need to take some copy on red direction. So you can select it easily, click on the move option in here, press Ctrl on your keyboard, and another time you can adjust some type of dimension for it, about 1.5, and press 4x for example. Now you have this type of model on your screen. So another thing I want to talk about is about the rotate copy. Actually, rotate copy is one of the important tools in SketchUp. So I'm going to use tape measure. I want to set some type of distance for my model, something like that. Now we have some type of center in this place. I'm going to use circle in this place and click on the intersection point and draw some circle with some radius about 1 meter. Now I want to open the paint bucket. In the paint bucket you have some window called Eternity Info. Eternity Info helps you to get some much details about the models and 3D volumes in your environment. So When I select this edge of my circle, I can see the segments, radius, and rock reference. So the segment is about 24. I can increase it to the 50. Actually, we have smoother edges in here, or I can decrease it to the 16, as you can see. It depends on you and your project, and it's not my say, so you can change it by yourself, by your needs. So I'm going to click on it, create a group. Now I can draw some line like that, for example about 46 centimeter, and another time on blue axis about 6 centimeter, another time some type of face like that. So I'm going to click on it, take some component about it, create it. Now I want to click on the rotate option in this place. I will come to my displays, set my center of the circle, press Ctrl on my keyboard. Now I want to left click on displays and displays. So now I can take some copy of my model with some number I want, for example 15x, something like that. As you can see, it is really simple and easy. Now you can click on one of them, you can draw some line, something about 10 centimeter, as you can see. Now you can click on it, use follow me option, and create it. As you can see, we create this type of model in SketchUp very simple and easy. Sometimes you can press Ctrl Z and only extrude your model, something like that. For example, 3 centimeter from this place and 3 centimeter from this place again, and this is your main model in here. You can take some another copy of this face, for example something like this, and now you can open it and give some extrudation about, for example 2 centimeter for it. As you can see, now we model some type of woody palette. You can see this type of woody palettes in the ocean docks or other type of places about industry. You can create some type of offset of it and you can remove it again. So as you can see, we create these type of things in SketchUp only with the copy option. At the final, you can take some other copies on the blue axis with some dimension related to you, and it's really manual. For example, I want 10x copy, I can type 10x. As you can see, we create these type of shapes and models very simple and easy. In this place we have too many components. I want to open one of them, select one of the edges and change the form of this, something like that, and we create these type of things in here. All of these textures and materials and models related to the using about 3D model in SketchUp and copy option. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe us. At the next session I'm going to talk about some type of really special 3D modeling. So wait for us, like and subscribe us, and turn on the notification. Goodbye.